Good evening everyone, especially to our Prof. Leo Arcayos, and my name is Rodin J. Cadornega, G2E-1, and this is our report in SIM 223, the stability diagram, stream tables and stress tables. The stability diagrams, it is usually represented as a system stability across fields like shape, stability, and modal analysis. The stability diagram show how the right movement varies with the heel angle EG and GG curve. The stability diagrams, there are two positive GG stable and negative GG unstable, and and then a positive GG writing arm means that a shape has a restoring force that help it returns to an upright position to one side, and the negative GG means the shape is unstable at that heel. The shape will continue to fail further, that cause the increasing of the rest at capsizing. In short, negative GG is a no restoring force. This will serve as a warning sign in stability assessment. And also the trim table, also known as a trimming stability tables, is a trim table. The trim table are chart used to quickly estimate a shape forward and aft drops that based on weight changes. This is also help to predict a trim changes from loading, unloading, shifting weights. The purpose of the trim table are used to determine the drops forward and out of a vessel and its changes of each 100 tons of weight, and to predict on how the ship will be affected. Trim table are using to calculate the new drops after changing the weight of distribution. The accurate of this is calculation would be crucial, especially the safe navigation to avoid exceeding drops limits. And also the last one is the stress table. The stress table is a comprehensive documents or data base that lists the various stresses a ship's constructor experiences under different loading of the environmental condition. A stress table on a board ship displays important structural data like bending moments and the shear forces at various points along the ship's length. It helps the crew monitor and manage the stresses acting on the hull during unloading, discharging, or sailing. By using this table, they can ensure the ship remains within safe structural limits, preventing damage or failure. And that's all everyone, and again, good evening sir. Thank you for watching my report in SIM 223.